Okay, this is mosquitoes. Still the road. That's the swamp we were in over there. This is campground. This is unreal. Look at the debris. And you can't even see the road. It's all silt and sand. Wow. Picnic tables underwater. Wow. Look at that building. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Now this is all campground area, right?
Huh?
This is all campground. Or was. Well, that cracked me up, minnows in the parking lot. Wow. Refuse recycling center. Nobody playing basketball over there today.
Water basketball.
Water polo. Boy, mosquitoes are crazy.
What?
Mosquitoes.
Oh, want some bug spray?
Yeah. Look at that up there. That's beautiful.